Alright guys, this is the 17th episode. We're attacking the 6 ball, which is approximately a 39-degree cut. We're going into the center of the top ball. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, straight pull players, as you can see, I've set the 6 ball up. It's going in directly to the 2 ball, right in the center of the 2 ball, so directly in, not below or above. Now with the 6 ball, just to keep in sync with what we've been covering, we're going to stick with a 12/8 angle. And since I'm in the center of the 2 ball, or the center of the top ball, I'm going to use a half tip below center and a medium stroke. Okay guys, when we hit this ball, you'll notice the cue ball's trajectory is towards the long rail again. That seems to happen with a little more angle attacking the center of the ball. We'll see that as we go down the whole stack, but I just wanted to point that out. Let's see how I run the rest of the rack. Okay, the angle is very generous as far as opening up the table, opening up the rack. If I can hit the 13 ball, that'd be ideal. I'll have shape on the 9 or the 11. So I'm going to try to clip the 13 ball. Play the 9, play position on the 13 and the 5. Really the 5. I want a little more angle. Let's see if I'm okay here. Not ideal, but I have enough. Pop up for the 15, preferably the 10, but probably the 15. I'm going to play around the world trying to get on the 11. Center left. I don't want to hit that too hard. Okay, that's okay. Are we going to play a position on the 1 or the 10? I got on the 14, which is ideal. I'll take that out first. Play the 10 to the 1. Play the 1 to the 12 or the 4. Play the 12 and come around. Play the 2 to the 13. Okay, I would have liked to have been a hair short or a hair long and dead straight, so to maintain the angle, I'm going to have to accept a slightly longer shot. Okay guys, just like that, we managed to get through another stack, and hope you guys are having fun and enjoying these exercises. I have one more angle with this 6 ball, and then we'll move on a little lower in the stack and attack the second ball instead of the top ball. So look forward to working with that and you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and I'll see you at the next angle. Take care.